Yazali View Point, nestled in the Lower Subansiri district of Arunachal Pradesh, is emerging as a captivating destination for adventure seekers and nature enthusiasts alike. Perched at a scenic height, Yazali offers breathtaking panoramic views of the lush green valleys, rolling hills, and meandering rivers that define the region's untouched beauty. What sets this viewpoint apart is its growing reputation as a paragliding hotspot. The area's favourable wind conditions, open landscapes, and dramatic elevation make it ideal for the sport. As paragliders launch from the heights of Yazali, they are treated to a surreal aerial perspective of the Eastern Himalayan terrain, floating over verdant forests and traditional tribal hamlets. In recent years, Yazali has hosted local paragliding events, drawing enthusiasts from across the northeast and beyond.